Welcome back. Don't get frustrated. This is what Ponda MLA Lavu Mamledar is telling former Ponda MLA Ravi Naik. The verbal clash over the recently concluded Ponda Municipal Council poll continues. Ravi had dared Lavu that he will resurrect from this defeat. Lavu Mamledar claims that the council backed by the BJP MGP panel has complete authority to choose the city chairperson.
आणि जे म्हणजे अजून तेगेले दुधाचे दार धरून म्हणजे पॉलिटिकलचे दार धरून ना असं मनीस उलयता ताका आज पॉलिटिकल म्हणजे काय सोशल वर्क म्हणजे समाजकार कांयच खबर नासलो मनीस उलयता रवीश कारगेर.
After the statement by Ravi Naik on Wednesday, Ponda MLA Lavu Mamledar had advised Ravi not to get frustrated with the defeat.
दुधाचे दात अजून पडू ना. अरे राजकारण तुझे साध्य जालां वचत थंय लोकांक फटोवन म्हणून तूं एक्सपर्ट असो समजता स्वताक काय अशें म्हाका म्हणपाचें आसा. एक्सपर्ट न्हीत तूं. म्हातारपण जावन दात पडले तरी पूण अजून ते उमेद खावपाची हाडां खावपाची उमेद आसा काय म्हणून दुधाचे दात ते कितें तरी असले कमेंट पडलो ही हार ही आपल्या मनशान मान्य करची वग्गी रावचो. हांवूय 2007 पडलो. हांवें असले टिका करपाक वचूना. जर कितेंय गरज पडली कितें अन्याय जाता जाल्यारच हांवें आवाज हें केला. अन्यायाचेर आवाज करा न्ही. इतलो फ्रस्ट्रेट जावपाची गरज ना.
Lavu claims that the council backed by BJP MGP is having complete liberty to choose the chairperson.
बरी जी बायल आसा लेडी आसा जी समाजा खातीर वावरतली निस्वार्थपणे वावरतली तिका सगळ्यांनी सपोर्ट करचो अशें म्हाका दिसता.
सो राधिका नायक पयली नगरपालिकेचे काम विधानसभा पंच सो तिका खूबसो एक्सपिरियन्स आसा नगरपालिकेचो. सो तिका प्रामुख्यान पयले वयतले काय दिसता तुमकां?
न्ही वचपाक जाता कारण तिजे फाटीं आमी पळयलां हें कारकीर्द बरी गेल्ली. परत तिणें सुद्दां दुसऱ्याक कोणाकूय ट्रेनिंग अंडर हर गायडन्स ती दुसरे कोणी एक प्रोबेबल किंवा दुसरी कोणी बरी बायल आसा जाल्यार तिका सुद्दां तेणें फुडें काडपाक जाता. कारण आमकां लोकां खातीर काम करपाचें आसा. I don't know whether Radhika Naik will be able to devote this much time for Ponda municipality.
Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Further, the MLA Vijay Sardesai had challenged BJP-led government to scrap Mopa Airport project to protect the legacy of Maitani Saldana. Vijay has demanded that the government should scrap Mopa Airport project by 30th May. Meanwhile, Sudip Tamankar has alleged illegal recruitment in KTC.
Deputy Chief Minister of Goa Francis D'Souza visited the newly constructed collectorate building on Wednesday. He said government offices of Margaon like BDO, Joint Director of Accounts, Director of RDA, Director of Panchayat, Land Survey and Civil Registration Department will be shifted to the collectorate building. D'Souza also said that the building will be named after late Maitani Saldana.
38th we are fixing that name plaque on the building, naming the building after Maitani Saldana. So 30th is the function for that.
Vijay Sardesai criticized the government's decision and said government should protect the legacy of Maitani Saldana by scrapping the proposed Mopa Airport project.
सरकार जर ताजी लेगसी जिती दवरूंक सोदता सरकारान मोपा स्क्रॅप करचें बाय स्टेट्यूट डे आनी त्या दिसा कलेक्टर बिल्डिंगूय ताजें नांव घालचें जाल्यार खरी ताजी याद ताजी जी आमी वी विल बी डुईंग जस्टीस टू मातानीज लेगसी.
Meanwhile, spokesperson of Congress Sudip Tamankar has alleged illegal recruitment in the Kadamba Transport Corporation.
जे प्रोसेस पळय आसा हो इलिगली चल्लेलो आसा आनी खंय तरी वेस्टेड इंट्रस्टान गव्हर्मेंट हो करता आनी जी पळय कॉल लेटरां सगळ्या लोकांक धाडूंक जाय आसली जे सगळे कॅन्डिडेट आसा एप्लिकंट्स आसा तांकां धाडली ना आनी कोणाक तरी फोनार स्पेसिफीक लोकांक जे भारतीय जनता पार्टी कडेन पळय जे संबंदीत आसा तितल्याच लोकांक फोनाचेर कॉन्टॅक्ट केलो गेलो.
Reporter Mayur Naik and video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
The prime project of fish market in Wasco has attracted controversy. The fisher folks have demanded information about the proposed plan of the market. Construction of the 2-floor building of the market is expected to start by September. Wasco MLA Carlos Almeida said suggestions by the fisher folks would be considered for the market.
आतां हे बाजार बांद म्हणटाय न्हू जाल्यार बांदताय न्हू आमकां तो प्लान दाखयलो बगर बाजारान बांदूंक कशें दिवचें न्हय आमकां प्लान पयलो जालो.
This work should start somewhere in August, September.
हे जो प्रोजेक्ट आसा तो फिशर फोक्स बीन आहा तांकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेतला काय कितें?
See, we are taking everybody into confidence. Now see, one presentation today is for the councillors and second presentation will be for the fisher women. They will be explained and their suggestions also will be taken. And this project is with basement parking plus there will be parking on the second floor as even Chief Minister Parrikar has said that try and give more stress on parking. So then we'll be keeping a lot of parking there for people who come to the market.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.